So this is our KRUUSE Manuka honey products. We have three kind of products. We have the ND, the AD, and the gel. We will start with the ND, which means non-adherent dressing. You open it, and you see that the exact product is covered by two layers of paper. Inside there is an acetate gauze which is impregnated with 100% Manuka honey. This product you put directly onto the wound, and as you would use it in a wound which is in the inflammation phase, it will create some excessive exudate, so you will need to cover with a secondary dressing. The next one is the AD, which stands for absorbent dressing. This one is a bit different, and the honey is completely dissolved in absorbent hydrofibers. So when you pour it on, it will expand and the exudate will get into the dressing. It will also create a lot of exudate, and therefore you also here need to cover with a secondary dressing. To create an even further contact with the honey, you can fill the cavity up with further honey. You simply pour it out of the tube and into the cavity of the wound.